The days of manually applying to 50 jobs a day are over. Let VioResume find you the perfect job and perfect resume.
VioResume uses advanced AI to do what no person can do manually. It scans your resume and understands you professionally, then it scans the web for the latest job openings and shows you only the ones that actually match your background. Each job gets a match score. The higher the score, the better the fit.
Hi, Jenny here. Let me show you how to use job matching. Select AI Resume Builder from the menu. Click Login to go to Dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, you can see all these options, showing all features for resumes and job finding. You can also see the resumes you already created if you scroll down. To match jobs, click Match Jobs button on top here. You can see all your resumes created in VioResume are already here. Select the one resume. I'm selecting the first one to make this easy for you guys. If you have multiple resumes, all will be visible here. Or if you want to upload your existing resume, you can do that too. I'm going to type the job title that I want. Then type of jobs and location. I'll select USA for now. And number of job match I want. I'll just do 5 match this time. Give it a few sec. And boom! It scanned my resume and searched the whole web to find jobs for me and only gave me top fit jobs. Look at the given scores. It's super cool, guys. I do not have to jump one portal to another to find jobs. Saved my countless hours.